So I've been hearing about using watermelon instead of tomatoes, using watermelon to make stew. So I've picked one watermelon here. I want to pick other ingredients. So I'm about to prepare a watermelon stew. Stay tuned. You can make your own choice of protein, but here I'm using a beef, a chicken, and a jumbo Gulf shrimp. I already washed them. I'm trying to gather them together. Look at what I'm doing here. After washing it, I'm making sure there is no water. I'm making sure there is no water in it because I want to make this meat, I want to cook it or bake it to get juice out of it without adding no water in it. So I'm going to put some ingredient on it right now, cover it with a foil and put it in the oven, and it's going to cook and produce juice. So I'm mixing it up together. You can see it's fully mixed it. So I'm going to cover it right now and put it in the oven, trying to double the foil. Straight to the oven. Now this is the watermelon flesh. So I got, in addition to the watermelon, and I just took a portion. I got red jalapeno peppers, I got red bell peppers, I got fresh scorpion pepper. Of course, I put ginger, I put garlic, and I put turmeric and onion. The meat is done. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. Yeah, my mom trained me on how to handle hot pots, so I'm able to handle this even though it's hot. I was just managing, but it's hot, man. You can see this thing. Now watch me get water, the juice. Remember, I didn't cook it with water. It made its own water, and it's tasty like anything you can even imagine. So I want to begin cooking now. If you look down there, you're gonna see my blender has already blended the watermelon and the peppers with onion. Blended everything together. This is like in the place of your tomato. So this is watermelon, and this watermelon has juice. The juice inside the watermelon and the juice from the meat, that's what I'm using to cook the stew. No additional water. I didn't add no additional water to the stew. So I've made stew for the first time without adding no water. You can see this is the watermelon, the grounded watermelon juice with the pepper and the meat stuff. The stew is done. Boom. Rice is done as well. I'm serving myself, and I'm gonna taste it. Yummy.